There can be some mistakes made with 0 in column multiplication. The first one is quite obvious, and that's just where a child will multiply. 3 times 3 is 9, and then 3 multiplied by 0 is 0, and just not write that in because they don't see the importance of 0, particularly if they say 3 times 0, oh, it's nothing. So they don't bother to write it in and move on to the hundreds. 3 times 2 is 6. So they just need, in this case, to be reminded of the importance of 0 as a placeholder. Another problem, which can be trickier to spot, is missing out a 0 from an actual calculation answer. So 1 times 5 is 5. 5 times 8 is 40. Now, some pupils, because they've said 5 times 8 is 40, looking at their answer will just be in their head adding on the 5 and getting 45. So rather than writing 40 with the placeholder, they will just write the 4. 1 times 5 is 5, and because 5 eighths are 40, that means 45. So they need reminding that actually this is 5 eighths of 40, but in our tens column it's 40 lots of tens, not 4 lots of tens. Similar to this, pupils may do 8 multiplied by 6, which is 48, and then 7 multiplied by 8 is 56, add on 4 is 60, and again if they're not remembering that there's 60 tens, 60, and they can see they've got an 8, so they're just going to write 68. If they look at the answer, it can't possibly be right. So it's important that they start to check and see whether their answer is sensible.